do it.
Just
But this one, no, ito talaga yung pinakaayaw ko sa lahat. Bye!
Hi, Mom.
Hi! Just do it.
Just
Yeah, just do it.
Hi, Mommy. Baby number 2. Hi, Mom. How are you feeling right now?
Normal, charot. Dili. Ganito pala ang feeling kapag repeat CS. Unlike sa first na ano.
Oh, wala nang wala nang nervousness.
Nervous na.
Prepared.
Oh, nakapag blow dry na ng hair, blush on,
Ay,
tint,
parang ano nga eh.
sunscreen, fresh.
Fresh face. Parang hindi manganak. Parang lang.
Ano?
Check-in sa hotel.
Oh, nag-staycation
Yeah.
sa hospital.
Yeah. So, are you ready?
Ready na lang. Wala akong no choice.
Wala kang no choice. Shoutout ka naman dyan.
Shout out to my husband. Just do it. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Dad. Watch. Yeah. And anong message mo for me?
Message ko for you is, just do it.
Muna ka na emon t-shirt.
Yeah. Motivational.
Motivation.
Motivational tsaka inspirational.
Oh, wow. Big help.
Do it, Mom. Just do it.
Yeah. Hashtag just do it.
Hashtag just do it.
Hi guys. So today is September 11, Thursday, and it's my scheduled day for elective CS. I'm now in the room in muna before the operation later at 2:30 in the afternoon. Yeah. Dito muna ako sa room. I'm all alone. Daddy went down for some, may inaayos lang sa baba. And yeah. Hi. Hi, self. Ready na ba? No choice. See you guys later. So, every time kapag may mga hospital stuff or okay lang ako sa mga other tusok-tusok. But this one, no, ito talaga yung pinakaayaw ko sa lahat. Kasi, parang conscious ako. And, kanang ngilngig. Kung sa Bisaya, pangilngig siya. Na, knowing there's something inside in your body and may backflow na blood, tsaka baka matanggal, like you're conscious to move, especially pag may mga hahawakan ka or yung pag mangusog gani. So yeah, this one talaga, it makes me parang makaluya. But other tusok, I'm okay with that. Okay lang yun, no props. Kanilang dyan. But anyways, no choice. Kasi, anak yun. Basta mga anak. So, we can do this. I can do this. See you later, baby. Bye-bye. Then, tanggal mo na ang dextrose para makapag-retouch si Moshi. I'm so ready for you, baby. Para maganda ang iyong mommy pagkita mo. Ay, dagdagan pa natin. Para pag ikaw ano.